Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can stop, pause or delete your Meta Ads campaign before its time. For example, if you have created a campaign for 3 days, you want to run ads for 3 days, but after 1 day or 2 days, you want to stop or delete your ad, you no longer need this ad, then you can do it. And you can do it on your mobile phone. You don't need any laptop or PC for this. So you just have to install this Meta Ads Manager, this app on your mobile phone. When you install this, just open this. When you open this, here you can see there is your campaign. You will see your campaign here. Now in one campaign you have multiple ad set, and in multiple ad set, in each ad set you may have more than 2 3 4 ads. So if you want to hide or stop or delete throughout all campaign, you will click on these three dots and you will just turn off this campaign. When you turn off this, your ad will stop. It will no longer be available. But if you don't want to stop or delete whole campaign, you just want to delete one ad set, then you will click on this campaign. When you click on this, here you can see I have 3 ads set. Now if you want to stop any one of them, for that you will just click on that one and just turn off this, as I have turned off this one. Just click on this toggle option and your this ad set and this ad will be stopped. But if you want to stop another one, you will click on that one and just turn off this ad too. So this ad will be stopped. So this is the way you can turn off, hide or stop your Meta ads on your mobile phone at any time.